How to delete Threads account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Threads account. In order to delete Threads account, first of all, open your Threads application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Simply tap on it and then in the space, tap on the two bars at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, now you'll be taken to the settings page. Here, you will need to look for the account option. Once you get it, simply tap on it and now from this list, you will need to find deactivate or delete profile option. You will be able to see this option just below media at the top. Once you get it, simply tap on it and now in the next page, you will be able to see options for deactivating or deleting your profile. Since we are going to delete the profile, so you will need to look for the delete profile option which is at the very bottom and simply tap on the option. Now you will be prompted to enter your password in order to confirm your identity. Simply tap on this password box and then enter your password here. After entering the password, tap on delete Threads profile here and then you will need to wait for a moment. After that, you will see a message pop up where you will be informed that your account is scheduled for deletion, which will be in 30 days. During this period, if you want to reactivate your account, then you can simply log in back to your account and then you will be able to cancel the deletion. Also, deleting your Threads account will not affect your Instagram account. They will be managed separately now. And after deletion, all your thread contents, followers and likes will be permanently removed after 30 days. So by following these steps, you can successfully delete your Threads account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.